Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying compatibility. Confirm your Chromebook uses an x86-64 processor and supports UEFI or CBIOS. Once done, back up all personal files and create a Chrome OS recovery USB so you can restore if needed. Next, on a separate computer, download the Windows 10 ISO and make a bootable USB drive using Rufus or the Microsoft tool. Choose GPT for UEFI if your device supports it. Make sure the battery is charged and you have a USB keyboard if the built-in keyboard becomes unavailable. You now enable developer options, and if the model requires, remove firmware write protection following your device-specific guide. This step is why you verified hardware earlier. Once write protection is handled, flash a compatible firmware or enable CBIOS so the Chromebook can boot standard PC images. Reboot into the firmware menu or UEFI settings, select the Windows Boot USB, and begin the installer. During setup, delete Chrome OS partitions and create new NTFS partitions for Windows. These changes are permanent, so check your backup before applying them. You finish the installation by following Windows setup prompts and creating your user account. Then immediately install chipset, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, touchpad, and display drivers from the device vendor or trusted community sources. Once stable, re-enable any firmware protections you disabled earlier and keep the Chrome OS recovery USB stored in case you need to revert. If something breaks, like missing network or boot issues, use the recovery media, verify UEFI/legacy boot order, or reflash the original firmware. Restoring the recovery image is your primary troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.